I've been looking to see if I can find a better way or a safer way to charge the Lipo batteries at home. I have been charging them indoors, and I put them on top of a fireplace insert when I was doing it so I could watch them. And if they did catch fire, they were on a steel surface, but after watching a Lipo fire at the charging station of our RC field last week, I thought I would take another look at this because the range of the flames, the span was pretty extensive. The flames spread out over an area maybe this large with a 4-cell Lipo. And so I said, well, this isn't good because the flames theoretically could spread and catch things on fire even though the battery was on a non-flammable surface. So I've been searching around. I bought Lipo bags, a Lipo sack, which is good, but they're humongous. And still, if you charge indoors, you have to deal with the smoke and the toxic fumes. Hydrogen fluoride and other toxic gases are released during a Lipo fire. And you know, if you're outdoors, that's not a big deal. But if it's in the house and the battery is big and putting out large amounts of these gases, that's not good. So I thought, well, charging outdoors will solve the problem with the smoke and the toxic gases. How do you contain the fire? If I do it on the wood deck, wood is flammable. If I have it too close to the house, that's not good either. So I said, well, what about this grill? Well, the grill is designed to contain a fire. And this particular grill has indentations on both sides. There's one here and one on the other side that you can see are good for routing the wires. So I have this dual battery charger set up here, and I've run the wires through the groove, and I have a 6-cell 5,000 milliamp battery here, and a 5-cell 3,300 milliamp battery there, both connected to this charger. And I can simply close the lid. The wires are protected because they're going through the groove, and then I can charge. If it catches fire, it's contained within the grill. If smoke and toxic fumes come out, it's outdoors. And the charger should be protected because the flames, for the most part, should be contained within here. And I don't believe enough flames would shoot out far enough here to damage the charger or the power supply. So the other issue is, what if it starts raining? Well, on a day like today, it's cloudy and we have been getting some intermittent showers. I can slide the grill over so that this shelf is under the overhang, and that would protect the charger from rain. But otherwise, I'd rather keep it further away from the house for safety reasons. And so this is my latest solution. I could put the batteries also in the Lipo bags, but if they're in here, the only thing that would solve or help with is isolating the batteries from one another, so there won't be a chain reaction. The first battery goes off and it sets off the second battery. That still could happen if it gets too hot in there, and that's more likely to happen with the larger batteries. With the smaller batteries, I think there's enough of a heat sink in here that you could better isolate the batteries and prevent a chain reaction. But even if you had a chain reaction, I'd rather lose 2 or 3 batteries at once than have the house burn down or be asphyxiated with hydrogen fluoride gas.